my name is Mohsin and we are here to discuss on functions in C like user-defined functions, built-in function and recursion. Introduction to functions. A function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Functions help in code reusability and modularity. Two main types. Number one, built-in functions. Number two, user-defined functions. Built-in functions. Functions provided by C standard library like examples printf, scanf, string length, square root. Printf is used to prints output, scanf is used to reads input, strlen function is used to find string length, sqrt used to find square root. Example printf hello world. It used to print the hello world on screen. User defined functions. Functions created by the programmer. Syntax, return type, function name and parameters in brackets. Now open a bracket and write a code and return a value and close the bracket. Main is return type, function name and parameters in the bracket. Example int. Int is a return type, add is a function name, int a parameter 1, comma int b parameter 2. Open a bracket and return a plus b. This is the code a plus b and return the sum of a plus b and close the bracket. Function declaration and calling. Function declaration and calling. Declaration also called as prototype like int add int parameter 1, int parameter 2 and semicolon. This is the declaration of the function and the definition is int add int parameter 1a, int parameter 2b. Open a bracket and write a code and return the value a plus b. Call this function in somewhere else in the code. Int result, this is a variable equals to add. Call this function by function name. Add 5 comma 3 means parameter 1 and parameter 2. When you pass 5 comma 3, this will return 5 plus 3 8. Return add and the value is stored in int result. Recursion. A function calling itself is recursion, used in problems like factorial, Fibonacci, etc. Example factorial. Int fact. This is a data type. Return type. This is a function name and this is the parameter. Open a bracket. If n equals to 0, then return 1. Else. This is the condition of if else. If n equals to 0, return 1, else return n into fact. Function calling itself, fact n minus 1. It will repeat until it is the value of n is not equals to 0. If n equals to 0, then it will return 1. It will not call itself. This is the recursion. This function is calling itself. This is a repeated task. Advantages of functions. Improves code readability, reusability of code, easier debugging and testing, reduces complexity by dividing tasks into smaller modules. Summary. Functions are reusable blocks of code. Built-in functions are provided by C library. User-defined functions are created by programmers. Recursion functions, function calling itself. Functions make code modular and efficient. Thanks. Comment if any query.